morning, friends. My name is Pawan Kumar Soma from Bangalore. I'm an Analgix independent international distributor. Today I'm going to show you e-cleaning process of Kangen 8 machine. That is what we call it as a K8 machine. Okay. And this particular e-cleaning process, generally we recommend once in a month or 45 days if you are using a direct tap water. Otherwise, if you are actually taking the source water through by TDS controlled RO, or if your TDS is which is less than 150 or 140, then you even if it is once in a 2 months also it's okay. But we recommend strong once in a 30 days to 45 days if we can do this e-cleaning process. I'm going to show you the process now. Before going to the e-cleaning process, you need to ensure that you have all the accessories with you. Okay, in this accessories, this box you would have got along with your Kangen 8 machine and K8 machine you are buying. In that machine, along with that machine, you would have got this box. In this box, this is actually called a e-cleaning kit, a cleaning kit. In this, you will get a 3 accessories. That is, one is a K8 CPU, and along with this, you will have a cleaning tank. If it is a brand new machines like less than a year, you will see this as a white color tank. This is a different design tank actually. And if the same machine, K8 machine, if you are having a older machines like 1.5 year, more than 1.5 year older machines, then you will get a cleaning tank in this green color. With this tank, you have something called a cleaning powder. You will get it in a sachets. In this Ziploc bag, you can see a red cap also. This is also very much important while you're doing a e-cleaning process. Don't think that there's a waste cap and just throw it in the dustbin. These 3 things you should have always along with you to maintain your Kangen machine, K8 machine, to give you a best water possible forever. Okay. So if you want to do the e-cleaning process, you need this 2 sachets. Okay. Generally, when you do other machines like SD501 Junior, we use only 1 sachet. But please keep it in mind. For a K8 machines, we need 2 packets of this. And what we need to do is, we'll cut this packs. Okay, neatly with a scissor, or you will have you can just tear it off, and we are going to take this tank, and by using this fingers you can open the lid, and what you're going to do is you fill the 2 sachets into this. One packet done, and I'm putting one more packet. So I put 2 packets into this. Now what we want to do is we have to fill this tank with the water. So what water we should use? Either if you are going to take this water from the Kangen machine, we recommend a clean water. Otherwise, anytime if you want to do this, better to take a tap water directly. You just fill it with the tap water up to the level. You just fill this tank, and what you're going to do is you're going to put this lid and lock it. This lock. Now what you're going to do is you have to shake this tank. That e-cleaning powder should completely mix in this water, so that you have to shake well, ensure that it's properly mixed. And once it is done, now let us come to the Kangen machine. See, all these steps actually, the Kangen machine itself only will give you through instruction steps. So I'm just tapping the Kangen machine, and you need to go to the settings here. When you go to the settings, there is an option called a e-cleaning option, which is the 4th option. You just press on this e-cleaning thing, and you can see e-cleaning instructions. Press S, and you can see that e-cleaning. This is step 1. Pour 2 packets of cleaning powder into the cleaning tank. Fill with a 370 ml of water and mix thoroughly. Now, okay. Now, please insert this is e-cleaning step 2. Please insert the cleaning tank. Where should we insert this cleaning tank? What you need to do is, you have a cover here. You just remove this cover. You can actually put up both the hands on the right side and left hand side. You will have a grip here. You just remove these tanks. And then, you can see here, there is one more tank here. This is actually called an enhancer liquid tank. So I am removing this enhancer liquid tank. Both tanks look similar, but purpose is going to be different. This is for enhancer liquid and that is for a cleaning tank, cleaning thing. And I'm going to insert this tank, cleaning tank. But before inserting this tank, you have to ensure that if you are using these machines, for more than 6 months or, 1 year, if there is any possibility, is there any dust or is there any water or something, actually, please ensure that you just wipe it with a proper damp cloth. Okay. And after that, do ensure that there is nothing, in this chamber. So what you're going to do is you just put this e-cleaning tank inside. So in between, if machine goes to power up mode, don't worry, you just tap it here. So again, the machine starts from there itself only. Now what we have done is we put the cleaning tank here. Now press OK. Please remove the filter and install the cleaning cartridge. Now you have to remove this thing. Before doing that, what you do is just put this cap back and just press it like this, both sides. It is locked. Now we have to remove this e-cleaning step 3. You have to remove the filter. For removing the filter, what you need to do is just lift this thing actually top side and remove this cap. Here you have actually there is a locking ring for the filter. What you need to do is you can see here actually open. You just move this side and remove this lock ring and remove the filter. While removing it, but ensure that you remove these O-rings. The 2 rings will be there, both the rings, black O-rings, and put it this filter back, in a normal position. You need to take a CPU for a K8, and please ensure for this CPU also that both the black O-rings are there, and place it in a proper position and put this ring and ensure you lock it again. Just put that end and it is locked now. You can see it's properly locked. Now what you do is put this cap back. Because this entire e-cleaning process is going to take 3 hours time. We need not to do anything extra for completing this process. Okay. So let this 3 hours run. Now again, tap the thing. And we have done it. Please remove the cleaning cartridges removed. Press OK. Please put the cap on the secondary hose. This is actually called as a secondary hose. Okay. This is the cap for that secondary hose. Please ensure that this side you have to put it to this cap and ensure that it is properly tightly fixed. Okay. To block the water leakage and other things. Now that is also done now. The e-cleaning step 4. Now again OK. Press start to begin e-cleaning. This is e-cleaning step 5. Now what you need to do is you just press 5, press start. So now the machine started e-cleaning. You can clearly hear the voice also. There's a e-cleaning process is going on in the machine. Okay, and this is going to take a 3 hours time. Let the machine done its work completely. After 3 hours, we will come back. If you have to check in between, the machine will, this display will go into the off mode also. If you have to check it again, sometimes you come and just tap it on the display. So you will see how much time again left actually. What we are going to do is after 3 hours, we are going to come and we are going to complete the remaining process. Okay, let's wait for 3 hours. Thank you so much. Hi, now I'm switching on the machine. Oh, it's already done. That means, so 3 hours is completed. You can see that, the e-cleaning step 7, cleaning is finished. Please remove the cap from the secondary hose. We already discussed this is a secondary hose and we need to remove this cap. When you remove this cap, there's a possibility of, some water may come actually. Okay. So what we need to do is you can collect this water into a bottle. So this is nothing but the e-cleaning water, which this water you can use it for whenever you're collecting a Kangen water in your bottles, glass bottles or transparent bottle. After a few days, you can see that there's a white layer kind of a thing, which is going to form on this bottle. So to remove that, this water, you can use it as a cleaner. You just put this water in a bottle, a small quantity, and just shake it for 2 to 5 minutes time. So the bottles will get cleaned. What I'm going to do is, I'm just pressing a OK. Now, please remove the cleaning cartridge and reinstall the filter. So we have to remove the cleaning cartridge, which is here in this chamber. So again, you lift this cover, remove this cover, and again you need to unlock this. You just slide this ring and remove this CPU. Ensure that whenever you're removing the CPU, ensure that these O-rings, black O-rings are there with the CPU only. After removing the CPU, again you take your filter back, the Kangen machine filter, and ensure that both the O-rings are there with the filter. And by holding like this, keep it in the position and put this lock into this. So I put the filter back and it is locked now. Now again press OK. Please remove the cleaning tank and reinstall the previous tank. So now it is actually, we need to remove the cleaning tank. Again, hold this cover here, remove this thing, and doing this, you can actually keep this cover back. And remove this tank. You can see this is actually completely empty. Now I have taken the enhancer liquid tank back. So you can see this, this is a red label and the cleaning tank is a green label. So what I am doing is I am putting this thing back and ensure that there is nothing, no drops and no particles and other things. I'm just putting it back and ensuring that we'll put the power with this cover back. Cover back. And you can see that please remove the cleaning tank, done, and reinstall the previous tank, done. Now the step number 10, run the water to rinse the machine. Now what we need to do is we need to run the water and we need to pump in the water to the Kangen machine. It will take it for 300 seconds and it's going to run for full 300 seconds and it rinse it properly. After that we can start using the Kangen machine as it is. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pump the water into this machine. So I'm switching on the motor for the water pumping in. So you will see, you can see it's a 300 remaining. So it will start counting the things and it will completely 300 seconds, that is 5 minutes. It's going to take the water in and it will rinse the complete machine and it is ready for the using. Okay, this is what the complete process. And there are few things you need to recall it when you are doing the K8 Kangen machine. Please ensure that the power is on throughout the process. Otherwise, other machines like Junior 2 and SD501, we have to ensure that the power plug is removed and there is no power supply. But for the K8 machine, the power supply should be there so that it will actually guide us in a proper way to do the complete e-cleaning process. And second thing, you need to ensure all the accessories along with you, and you have to follow the step-by-step process. Once this e-cleaning process is done, this machine comes to the normal screen. After this, what you do is you select a beauty water, that is nothing but a 6 pH water, and remove 1 or 2 liters of the beauty water. Then you start using this Kangen machine as usual. And after doing the e-cleaning process, please ensure that this cleaning tank and CPU and these things, this cleaning tank, you need to wash it with a normal water and just rinse it and dry it off and put it in a safe place, because we need these 3 things. It is going to be forever with us, because the Kangen machine, whenever you do a e-cleaning and everything, without these things we will not be in a position to complete the e-cleaning process.
Thank you so much friends for watching this video. If there are any clarifications or questions, you can always reach me on this mentioned numbers through WhatsApp or by phone. And please don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you so much.